Welcome to my channel.
Let's start listening stories from two languages. Wolf and Shepherd. Once upon a time, there lived a shepherd who herded his sheep into the forest every day. The shepherd had quite a lot of sheep, and he took care of all the sheep himself.
Dahulu kala, hiduplah seorang pengembala yang setiap hari mengembalakan domba-dombanya ke hutan. Gembala memiliki cukup banyak domba, dan semua domba diurusnya sendiri.
Sometimes the shepherd felt overwhelmed having to take care of all the sheep alone. The shepherd always thought about getting help to take care of all the sheep.
Kadang-kadang gembala merasa kewalahan harus mengurus semua domba sendirian. Gembala selalu berpikir untuk mendapatkan bantuan mengurus semua domba-dombanya.
The shepherd was known as someone who was rich in the village because he had lots of livestock, but the shepherd was a little stupid.
Pengembala terkenal seseorang yang kaya di desa itu karena memiliki banyak hewan ternak. Namun pengembala sedikit bodoh.
One day when the shepherd took his sheep into the forest, he realized that there was a wolf that had been following him. The shepherd was ready if the wolf suddenly attacked his sheep.
Suatu hari ketika pengembala membawa domba-dombanya ke hutan, dia menyadari ada seekor serigala yang membuntutinya dari tadi. Pengembala itu siap siaga jika tiba-tiba serigala menyerang domba-dombanya.
The shepherd was also holding a club and was ready to hit the wolf when it attacked. The shepherd led all his sheep hastily to get away from the wolf.
Pengembala juga sudah memegang pentungan dan bersiap-siap untuk memukul serigala. Ketika menyerang, pengembala menuntun semua domba-dombanya dengan buru-buru untuk menjauhi serigala itu.
The next day, the shepherd was very surprised to see two wolves in his livestock pen. The shepherd immediately took his club and chased the wolves away.
Keesokan harinya, si pengembala sangat terkejut karena melihat ada 2 ekor serigala yang berada di kandang ternaknya. Pengembala segera mengambil pentungannya dan mengusir serigala itu.
But strangely, the wolf did not attack the sheep. The wolf seemed to be a good wolf and would not eat the shepherd's sheep.
Tapi anehnya serigala itu tidak menyerang domba-dombanya. Serigala itu sepertinya serigala yang baik dan tidak akan memakan domba-domba si pengembala.
The two wolves just sat near the sheep without disturbing any of the sheep. The shepherd did not chase the wolves away and put his club back down.
Kedua serigala itu hanya duduk di dekat para domba tanpa mengganggu satupun domba-domba itu. Pengembala itu tidak jadi mengusir serigala dan meletakkan kembali pentungannya.
After many days, the two wolves became friends of the shepherd. The two wolves went with the shepherd to the forest every day, and the two wolves also helped the shepherd look after the sheep.
Setelah berhari-hari, kedua serigala itu menjadi teman si gembala. Kedua serigala itu setiap hari ikut dengan pengembala ke hutan, dan kedua serigala juga membantu pengembala mengembalakan domba-domba.
It didn't feel like the two wolves had been helping the shepherd for quite a long time. The shepherd also believed in the two wolves.
Tidak terasa, kedua serigala itu sudah membantu pengembala untuk waktu yang cukup lama. Pengembala juga sudah mempercayai kedua serigala itu.
Until one day, the shepherd had to go to the market to buy food, but the market was quite far from the village they lived in, so they had to stay overnight on the way.
Hingga suatu hari, pengembala harus pergi ke pasar untuk membeli kebutuhan makanan. Kebetulan pasar jaraknya cukup jauh dari desa mereka tinggal, sehingga harus menginap di perjalanan.
The shepherd needed 2 days to return to his home. The shepherd entrusted all his sheep to the two wolves.
Pengembala membutuhkan 2 hari untuk bisa kembali lagi ke rumahnya. Pengembala itu mempercayakan semua domba-dombanya kepada kedua serigala.
The shepherd said, "O wolf, I will go for 2 days to the market. I entrust my sheep with you until I come back."
Pengembala berkata, "Wahai serigala, aku akan pergi selama 2 hari ke pasar. Aku mempercayakan domba-dombaku bersamamu hingga aku datang kembali."
"Don't worry, shepherd. The two of us can look after all your sheep until you come back," said one of the wolves.
Tenang saja wahai pengembala, kami berdua bisa menjaga semua domba-dombamu hingga engkau kembali. Ucap salah satu serigala.
The stupid shepherd left his house and entrusted all the sheep to the wolves. The two cunning wolves were of course very happy that the shepherd had left.
Pengembala yang bodoh itu pergi meninggalkan rumahnya dan menitipkan semua domba-domba kepada serigala. Kedua serigala yang licik itu tentu saja sangat senang pengembala pergi.
After the shepherd left, the two wolves very eagerly attacked all the shepherd's sheep. The two wolves killed and ate all the sheep.
Setelah pengembala pergi, kedua serigala itu dengan sangat bersemangat menyerang semua domba-domba si pengembala. Kedua serigala membunuh dan memakan semua domba-domba itu.
After 2 days, the shepherd arrived at his house with a large supply of food he had bought at the market. The shepherd was shocked when he saw that all the sheep had died.
Setelah cukup 2 hari, pengembala telah tiba di rumahnya dengan membawa banyak persediaan makanan yang dia beli di pasar. Alangkah terkejutnya si pengembala ketika melihat semua domba telah mati.
The two wolves had also run away. The shepherd was very sorry and very angry with the two wolves. He should not have trusted the wolves. Because of his stupidity, he had now lost all his sheep.
Kedua serigala juga sudah kabur. Si pengembala sangat menyesal dan sangat murka kepada kedua serigala. Tidak seharusnya dia percaya kepada serigala. Karena kebodohannya kini dia kehilangan semua domba-dombanya.